going to teach you another TikTok. So we've got Taylor and Faith coming in to join us today. We're going to have a little bit of a funky time. We're going to break this down to a couple of moves. So we'll start off first of all. If you guys know the Macarena, you should be good with this. All right, so it's just going to be a hand up, the other hand, and then you're going to flip your hands and one to the shoulder. So it's like 5 beats. All right, so take that back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try that one more time. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Should we add some more?
Yeah.
All right, let's add the music to that. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. So I'll just count it out and that's how the beat's gonna go. All right, we'll try it one more time with the music. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. So now you're just gonna continue on with that move. You'll be here with your right arm across your shoulder. You're gonna go left arm across the shoulder, right head, right hip, left hip. Yeah? All right, so we'll take that back one more time. We're starting with our right on our shoulder. Left shoulder, right head, right hip, left hip. Yeah? One more time. Ready? Starting here again. Ready, go. Excellent. Should we do that with the music?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right, we'll do that 2 more times with the music. Are we ready to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. All right, one more time with the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right, so the next move we do, we have our hands like this on our hips. We're gonna bring it to the front. And we're gonna pretend like we're playing basketball for a minute. We're just gonna bounce a couple of balls 4 times, all right? And then what you do is we're gonna play tug of war. So we're gonna grab the rope, we're gonna pull, and then look to the front. And that's the move, all right? So we're gonna start from here because our hands were crossed on our hips. So from here, 4 basketball passes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands to the rope, pull, head. Yeah? All right, one more time. Starting with your hands here again. Ready, go. 4 basketball baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab the rope, pull, head. All right, should we try that with the music?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, basketball. Grab the rope, pull and head. Excellent. All right, ready with the music? Ready? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, basketball. Pull the rope, head. Excellent. All right, so the last move we're gonna go a little bit crazy. We're gonna play a musical instrument of your choice. I'm gonna choose a guitar. I know some of you like to do a bit of a leg guitar. It's up to you. So you're gonna go pull, head, come back to the front, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of an air guitar like this. You guys want to do that?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Cool. All right. Ready? Should we do it one more time, all together without the music?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna start here. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Pull head. Air guitar. And just keep going. Beautiful. All right. We'll put the music to that. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Pull. Head. Exhale. Excellent. All right, are you ready to do that one more time?
Yeah.
We'll come into a line this time. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. All right. We'll do that one time just to finish it off. Are we ready to go? Good. Ready and go. That was awesome.